today. Throughout the years that I went to the Wizarding World of Harry Potter and Universal Studios Orlando, I have collected these cute little puffs. They are from the Wizarding World. They are made in the Weasley Joke Shop in the back by both the Weasley brothers. And this one is one of the older ones if you look at the tag. This one, let's see. This one is going to be my Mother's Day one. And then the following one is one that actually is supposed to talk, but it's so, I've used it so much, but they go, which you've already heard throughout the joke shop. If you kept hearing, that's actually the Pygmy Puffs. So, but he doesn't make any noises anymore, and there's no way to change the batteries unless you split him open and change him like that. I don't think I want to venture to do that. I mean, I could, and I know how to close them properly. Maybe one day. I don't know. And then this one I actually got off of Amazon because it's like one of the I think it's from, I want to say this is from the, yeah, this one's from the Noble Collection. I still need the pink one of the Noble Collection, but these should still be on Amazon if you're interested. But just super cute little pygmy puff. Definitely a different face considering, but I really wanted this one in the bag, not only because it was a shoulder one, but because its face is a vinyl and we do not have anything that's vinyl, you guys. So let's go ahead and get into that pygmy puff. Okay, so of course I got one of the newer bags, new to me anyways, Wizarding World of Harry Potter. It has Harry on the front. It says Universal's Parks and Resorts. And let's see this cute little puff, you guys. Oh, so excited to open her with you, or him, I'm sorry. Now in the naming ceremony, we gave this pygmy puff the traditional Arnold name. You can name your pygmy puff whatever you would like. I love the new tags and stuff. And it also shows you how to apply it. They are $40. If you have an annual pass, you can get some coin off of it. So make sure that you get some coin off of it if you have an annual pass, okay? So we are going to open this cute little puff shoulder pal. I love that Disney started this shoulder pal thing, and it's just kind of like now trickled on to Universals. I think that's really cool. So let's get it out. I have my little scissors, so we're gonna go ahead and, oh, this is so cool. I love that they have a little traveling case for them. They didn't have a purple one. I was a little bummed about that. I really wanted a purple one. And you guys, if you try to buy this online from a secondhand seller, you're going to pay about $65, $75. Because that's where I found them at, actually. And I was like, oh, I want one. But I was like, I'm not paying that. So super glad I didn't do that. But you just kind of open it up from here. Underneath, you're going to get a little bow tie. And you're also going to get a brush for its crazy poof ball of a head. And let's see, underneath it looks like there are some little like ties. So let me try to cut those really quickly so I don't bore you with all this. But she showed you guys that there are holes so they can breathe in this. So there was no kind of mistreatment to the pygmy puff being in this type of little like carrier. So that's so cool. I just love this. I'm so excited. It was so exciting to go back to the Wizarding World of Harry Potter. I did wear one of my bags. I did one of the, like, it's almost like a trilogy bag, I guess they call it. If you could call it a trilogy bag, because it was like all the different movies. I've gotten both of them, and I don't know if they're going to do a new one. And there are a few other like Harry Potter bags that I wouldn't mind having. My first Lounge of Flight was a Harry Potter bag, and it was a Hot Topic one. And then I got the one from Box Lunch, which was the Weasley one, the pink one. Or it's like a pink, but it's really not. But yes, so this is what it looks like. And I had to take the little fasten downs. As you see, some are falling off. And let's get a good little look at this cutie. This is what the inside of your bag looks like. So you see that there are air holes. So there was no suffocation. I love that they put that little like touch of the little sticker up front. So cute. This makes me so happy. I probably will never put the bow on him unless I want to give him a bow tie. But it's cute. It's a very, I'll even take it off so we look at it first. So it's a kind of hard plastic bow. And it's kind of reminds me of a barrette when I was growing up. You remember the little barrettes, the baby doll barrettes that people used to put in their hair? I put those in my hair all the way up till I was in high school. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I had all sorts of different ones. So it's giving me a hard time getting it off to show you, but I'm going to hold on to that clear piece so I can put it back. So this is the little barrette that you can put on him if you wanted to do, or if you decide you want a her. They do put a little protective plastic coat because this one actually has a vinyl face. The face is so adorable, you guys. Oh my goodness. Aww. It's to protect the eyes. So I had to take that little coat off. Now, you can either give him, like for me, I'm going to give the bow tie because this is his name is Arnold, like Jenny's Pygmy Puff from the Wizarding World. So I would probably put the bow tie here. But if you have a female, you could put the little bow tie there. I know what you're thinking, you guys. You are not a kid girl, but sorry, but some of us didn't get to have much of a childhood, so I'm taking advantage of it now. It says Pygmy Puff, and so you can brush out your Pygmy Puff's hair like so. It's so cute. Oh my gosh. I just got some of it on my lashes. Okay. So stinking cute. Let's get a better look. So it looks like the Pygmy Puff is on a pillow, and it literally is, I think it's attached. It is attached. So we're going to have to unattach it so we can put it on our shoulder. So let me get my scissors for that. And let's see. Oh my gosh, this is so stinking cute, you guys. I love this. Okay. And oh, I love this too. Okay, so when you look underneath where the magnet is, it says Wizarding World of Harry Potter Universals. And you can see it's the little two feetsies right here. See? See its little two feetsies right there? Oh my gosh. That's so stinking cute. We loves it. Oh my gosh, it has feet in the back. I cannot wait to show that to you guys. Let me just get this off of its little cushion, because the cushion and the other thing is what has, if I'm correct, I could be wrong. I think the cushion may be what stays in the bottom of the, yeah, this actually stays in your bag or sit up on your, so it also gives you a little like bed, a little cushion that you can keep in your bag that your little pygmy goes in. And then it looks like this comes off here like so. And I'll show you guys how we're going to put the Pygmy Puff on. Oh, look. So it's all pygmy underneath. It's not, okay. And then you got your little feet. So it's actually all fur underneath once you take that off. So that's really cool. And then it's magnetized. So you would take, gosh, I'm getting its fur all over me, like, because my makeup's a little wild. Because I was like trying to hurry up and, okay, so you're going to take your little magnetic cushion part and you're going to literally put it right underneath here. And then you're going to take your cute little, mine's Arnold Sorbelius. I'm going to take him and put him there, and literally I can walk around with a Pygmy Puff on my shoulders just like Ginny Weasley. And that is so cute. Oh my gosh, this is any girl's cosplay dream or guy. I just have this little thing for like such a little like soft heart for this little guy. Like I love Ginny Weasley and I love her little pygmy puff Arnold. So it's kind of so nice to have one of my own that's going to be a shoulder pal. I love all my pygmies, but this one is just something so different. And I love that they gave us all these accessories that we can keep in its carrier. I love they even gave us a carrier. Like that's so cool. The little carrier, and you put your two little items up here. I got the hair in my eyeball. It's Asian. And then of course you have the little cushion. It even says the Wizarding World of Harry Potter. And if you guys did not hear, I did a little tribute to the Potter Collector and Mindy Minks. They are both huge collectors of Harry Potter, and they also are great vloggers and definitely people that I've looked up to. So yes, you guys, that is going to be our pygmy. I know I'm so silly, but I could not help myself. This is something I have been looking at for a while, and I'm so excited. It looks so cute with my chocolate frog shirt, so I'm such a nerd. The other thing that I got to purchase, well, I didn't purchase it. My husband got it for me. Besides the butterbeer, he's like, we can go get butterbeer. Like that was the first thing, and he just let me kind of vlog and do my own thing. I just wish that I did a little better with my camera, and I wish that I paid attention. But I was just so excited and in the moment, and I've never vlogged before, so it was very different. My intros, my endings, they're gone. I have no clue where they went, and I've looked all on my little vlogging camera, and I can't find them for nothing. So I'm not sure. It was my first time, and it was a great experience, I do have to say. So they're not perfect vlogs, but they are my first, and that's exciting. But I do have something else I want to show to you guys really quick. And I did get the Hedwig keyring. I've been wanting this for a while. This is only a $15 little keyring, and I put it on my Diagon Alley purse that I've been wearing, my crossbody, with my pygmy puff. My poor pygmy puff has gone through the mail here. My little baby pygmy puff. But this one is the new plush ring. You guys know that I'm all about bag charms and the plush rings, and she is so beautiful. I love her so much. I was very excited to get her out of Diagon Alley as well, and we got to ride the Gringotts ride that day, and so a little sad part of that, we were getting on the ride, and my friend April was like talking about Professor McGonagall, our Maggie Smith, and I didn't know. And I think we were there the day that she passed away, so, or the day after, and I didn't know. So that was I was like getting on Gringotts, the ride at the time, and it was very hard, like, okay, I don't want to cry in this one because I really love Maggie Smith. I love her in Downton Abbey. Like, she's done all sorts of roles, and she is, God bless her soul. But yes, so a lot to remember on that little adventure on a Saturday. Got to be with good friends, got to go back to the Wizarding World, and got to get a part of my collection, a few things. That's cool. That's really cool. And God bless her family too. May they be with her always, and she be in their memories. And Sorry, I'm getting emotional, so I'm like waffling on. Anyways, you guys, thank you so much for watching and just humoring me through this vlog. I know it's not perfect, but it's just something I have to keep doing if I want to really do it. I think it was very fun and adventurous, and I'm so grateful for every day because it's not promised. Anyways, you guys, thank you so much. And remember, do you boo? Do what makes you happy even when others do not understand. Bye, y'all.